Alright, today we're going to do some more work on the 1965 Suzuki K11. No, not that bike. This bike. This is the one I just made a video of me putting the engine in. I haven't done much since. It looks like I did a lot, but I had a friend come over, help me put the tires on, lift it off the table. All we did was put the tires on it. So, I need to install the throttle and get a spark plug. I got most of the wiring figured out except for the rectifier. I think I have to redo it, but that seems to be working. I cut a fender off of another motorcycle I got rid of years ago, and I cut it, put it on here. I think that looks alright. Kind of goes with the front fender. Got a battery in there, and chain put on. So I got some work done. It was really just busy work, nothing that would have made an interesting video. But I'm going to set you up in a stand and we'll see if I can get this thing to fire. So stand by, we'll be right back. Alright, here we go. Here's the plan. Take a gas tank, strap it on the motorcycle. Good old bungee cord. Let's do the trick. Take the gas line, stick it on the carburetor. That'll work. Turn the gas on, see if it leaks. Alright. There we go. We have fuel. Alright. I have the air hose hooked up here. I have the wiring. I have a spark. I already checked that. So, get a new spark plug here. I'm going to go ahead and take that off because, oh crap, because it screws on here. I'm not going to bother fixing it. Alright, so new spark plug. Vice Grips Garage. You should watch that YouTube channel. It's a very funny program. Well, if you're a car guy. I like the way he renames everything. He calls spark plugs sparkulators. Just watch it. You'll see what I mean. I have no throttle on here, no throttle cable. All I have is my jerry rig carburetor choke on this, and let's see what happens here. So I'm gonna open the choke. This choke is a fuel injection style. So when you open it, it opens a port and allows more gas into the carburetor. Technically it's not a choke. a choke restricts air. So this is a fuel injection to get it started. But nobody seems to want to argue with it. Alright, I have a key. Look why. This is the anti-theft lock for this bike. I got it working. I'm very happy. Alright, give it a key here. The battery's installed, but it's not hooked up. You don't need a battery. I was just trying to test the electrical. I think I have the rectifier in here incorrectly. So, any bets on this? Choke is open. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Am I spitting raw gas out? Why would that be full of fuel? Okay. I guess I'm running very, very rich. Okay. Let's clean that mess up. I'm going to move it over here. How can that be? Hi, caramba. Alright, so reality check here. It's just dumping raw gas off the engine here. Why? Like the floats are stuck or something. All right, let's try that again. Remember, I have no throttle. The choke is turned off, and the key is on. And let's see if it's a little happier now. I gotta adjust the idle a little bit. Of course, I gotta let it get warm for that to happen. So I'm gonna Idle's hard to adjust without the throttle because you can't pull the plunger up and down. So, well, we know it runs. That's what you need. A little tweaking, a little tuning. She'll be a runner. I don't have a clutch cable for it yet, so I can't drive it. I'm not done with the seat yet. So, I was hoping to have it done this weekend, but didn't get my parts. That's where we're at. Cool bike. It's gonna be fun. Subscribe, enjoy. Bye-bye.